Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you something new that I found. I like to get seasonal boxes, subscription boxes from different companies and just be surprised at what comes in the box that month or that season. The reason I chose this seasonal subscription box or surprise box, it reminds me of when I was a little girl and I used to go to the 5 and 10. If you know what a 5 and 10 is, the youth of today may not know what the 5 and 10 is, but it was a store where you could go and they sold basically everything. And anyway, when we would go, I would go with my grandmother a lot, and there was always a grab bag. And if you know what a grab bag is, it was just a bag and it was probably like 50 cents. It was a brown bag and you could just buy it and you didn't know what was inside of it until you got home and then you opened it up. And so that kind of reminds me of this, these boxes that you don't know exactly what you're going to get. I have no idea what's in here. And this company is called Margot Elena. And how I found this was over the summer, we have a little sort of boutique shop in our neighborhood. It's called Daisy's, and it has all these really nice high-end things, just like really cute, and I really love it in there. And I have been trying to find my signature scent, my perfume that I absolutely love, that I want to wear every day, and also will let you get those little sample perfume samples and you can try them. I had like, I don't know, 20 samples to try over the course of the summer. And to be honest with you, even the high end, they sort of all smell the same in a way. And I really wasn't impressed with anything. When I was in the shop, just kind of looking around, they had perfume from this company. And this particular one is called Lollia, Lollia, and it is a rose and hibiscus eau de parfum. And when I tried it on in the store, I just absolutely loved it. But they didn't have any. They were all sold out, and I was like, oh boy, I really want that. So I looked it up online, and that is how I found Margot Elena. And I saw that they had seasonal boxes. And they sell things like high-end perfumes and candles. I haven't really, I didn't do a deep dive. I saw the subscription box, so I was like really excited to do it for fall. It's a fall subscription box. So I bought the perfume, and this is my new signature scent. I love this scent, and it's not a heavily rose scent. It just smells very, it's kind of floral, but it's light, it's airy, it smells fresh, and it just is light enough that it's not overpowering. I wear it and I can smell it on myself. So, and I enjoy it. So it's not like sometimes you put on perfume and you're like, let me just wait till this wears off. Or you try to just put a little bit on. I just put one spritz on each forearm or my wrist. And it's a good scent. It is, and maybe it's just because it works with my biochemistry or whatever, and those other ones didn't. But I tried a lot over the summer. So if you like something, and they have other perfumes that they have on their website, but I love this perfume and I will use this. This is my signature scent. I absolutely love it. So I'm thrilled that I found my signature scent. But I wanted to share with you what was in this fall seasonal box. So let's just get it open. Again, I have no idea. And it's more of a luxury brand, I think. I believe, though, that this was about 80 bucks, which wasn't bad. I'll put the exact price here, and I will certainly link the website below. But, yeah, let's just see what's inside here. I'm excited to see what's in here. And the other thing that's cute is when it came in, this is what it says on the box. She has arrived. So I thought that was cute. And then it's got a little card in here, Gather and Glow, Fall 2025, and wrapped really good in this paper. So I'm gonna just take out one thing at a time, and I will show you what all is in here. Wow, it looks like there's quite a few things in here. I'm excited. I'm gonna put my glasses on. So you might get the glare, sorry about that, but I do need to be able to read what I'm actually getting in here. Looks like it's all full size. Ooh, I can already see there's a hand cream in there. Let's get things unwrapped here. Oh, and this is my perfume. And this is Lalia Breathe Peony and White Lily Shea Butter Hand Cream. Botanically lush hand cream with rich ingredients, macadamia nut and avocado oils are blended to comfort and soothe skin. Beneficial hydrating extracts of aloe and shea butter lightly moisturize, while delicate floral infusions of peony and white lily leave skin feeling deliciously fresh. And it's all packaged so beautifully. Look at this box. And a really, really big hand cream. I have to puncture that. I don't know how I'm gonna puncture that with this cap. All right, well, I'm gonna have to try it after for you. The next thing here is another hand cream. This is the Cottage Greenhouse Sugar Beet and Blossom Hand Cream. Beet is ruby rich in nature's nourishers, and phyto compounds found deep within its roots help hydrate and lock in moisture. Your skin feels nurtured and velvetly smooth. Very light scent. It smells so good. Always could use a hand cream. And the smaller one can go in my car or in my purse. All right, what is this? Tokyo Milk. I love the little frog on the packaging. Perfumed soap, and it says believe. I just really, really like that. And so take it out just to smell it, I guess, huh? But oh, look at that. It's got the embossed, can you see that? It's embossed with the name and numbers. Tokyo Milk. Very, very cool. Oh, this is really cute. It's got like a library card inside. And it's like, these are the borrowers' names and the dates. It's a public library card. That is so cute. I love that. Just a really nice touch. All right, what do we got in this little paper package? Ooh, it's a candle. This is the Cottage Greenhouse Botanical Beauty Market Essential Aromatics. Cedar and sweet orange, my favorite. Soy wax. It's got that, it's not strong, but I can smell the orange, and that sort of the cedar makes it a little bit like when you're walking into a boutique and you can smell that boutique-y smell. That's what we have here. I'll be burning this today. So cute. All right, this is cute. It's a greeting card with a kiss and sending you a message and butterfly bouquet. And these are little, oh, this is so cute. They're little note cards. And they're all different. I have 3 of them. And this one says sealed with a kiss. This is like a little carrier pigeon, and it says sending you an old school message. Oh, sending you a message old school. So cute. And this one just has flowers on it. I love this. Let me get it, take one out of the package. Guys, it even comes with an envelope so you can send a little note to a friend on some really beautiful stationery. I love this. And I know just the 3 people I'm going to send a note to. So I'm very excited. I love that. All right, here's something else. Let's get this. This looks like a cream of some kind. Oh, no, it's a spray of some kind. Let's see. Oh, it's another perfume. Infinite She. And this is Confidence and Strength Eau de Parfum. I'm going to just spray it in the air and see what it smells like. Trying to smell that. I can't really. Yeah, I can kind of smell it. I can't describe the scent, but it's not flowery. It's not musky. It's just kind of, I don't know how to describe it, but it does smell good. Like a lemony smell. I'm going to spray it on my hand so I can smell it. Yeah, citrus, but very, very subtle. Hey, it's going to be nice to try, right? Something different for the fall. I think this is a really cool subscription box. And the good thing about this one is that you don't have to join it. So if you feel like getting the fall one, but you don't feel like getting the winter one, or you feel like getting just the summer one, you can just order it and you don't have to get into a subscription. Ooh, shower gel. Ooh, I like this. It's so nice and big. And guys, don't mind my nails. I'm sorry if you see them and you're like, what happened to her nails? I have took off a set and I haven't done anything with them because I have another set that I'm going to be showing you in another video that I got from Amazon that they looked really great for fall, and I'm going to be putting those on for you. But I'm going to show you what I got in the Amazon haul in my next video, and I'm going to show you those nails, and I'm going to put them on for you in another video. So keep coming back. So anyway, this is the, ooh, I love this. This is Energizing Shower Gel. It says yet to be written. This is grapefruit and neroli, which neroli smells great, and I love the scent of grapefruit. Like, I love the scent of grapefruit in my dish soap, and this, oops. Smells really, really great. This is going to be like a good wake-up shower gel in the shower. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. Relax and recharge with this luxurious, moisture-rich shower gel scented with grapefruit and neroli, shea butter, aloe, and jojoba seed oil. Smooth and soften your skin, leaving it refreshed, hydrated, and ready for the next chapter. I like this because it's all kind of geared toward reading and writing the next chapter. That's right up my alley. I love that. I have 2 more things in here. Let's see what this is. Another shower gel. Ooh, gin and rose water. Citrus zest, rosewood, mimosa, mandarin. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, and look at this looks good. All right, I'm set for the season here. I can just redo all my shower gels. This is really pretty. And then on the back, gin rose water. Smells so good. It's by Tokyo Milk, so that's the same one that did the soap. All right, the last thing I have in here is a letter opener. This is a really, really nice. This stylish letter opener is a beautiful adornment for any desk with every mail delivery. Unsheath even the most elegantly appointed stationery with beauty and relish. Wow, this is like a little thing for my desk that's gonna be, I do have a letter opener that I use that I had since like one of my first jobs. And it's just a basic letter opener, but I use it all the time. So it's time to upgrade. So this is kind of like a stationery store. It's a luxury soaps and perfumes So if you want to check it out and you want to get some, like a little surprise box for the season, ooh, it's nice and heavy, this is the way to go. It's a great one to try, and it's a great website to go out and peruse. Even if you don't want to get one of these seasonal boxes, but you want to pick up something that's a little more high end, I don't think you'll be disappointed with the perfume or any of the pieces that they have there. I think that you will really, this says objects to desire, and I think that you will just enjoy something luxurious for yourself. So even if you don't get the whole box, you can maybe pick up one or two things that piqued your interest in this video. All right, guys, well, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. I hope that it gives you a little bit of inspiration to go out and take a look at their website, see if there's anything that you feel would be a nice addition to your environment this fall. So thanks for coming along with me. I hope that you check back. I am going to be doing an Amazon fall haul. There will be more fall related items in that video. And again, the nail video is coming up. And I also have a flower arrangement that's all dollar store that I'm gonna do for you in an upcoming video. So definitely subscribe, definitely hit that bell. You know, for some reason, you're not automatically seeing my videos, even if you're subscribed. So go out and check your subscriptions and make sure you check out my latest videos. Thanks, guys. I so appreciate you all. Happy fall. And let me know in the comments what you think of this video. Take care, everybody. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.
Open up the window, I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a